Are you looking for an easy way to mirror your phone screen to another phone? AirDroid Cast is the way to go. With this powerful and easy-to-use screen mirroring tool, you can now share whatever is on your phone screen. AirDroid Cast allows you to mirror your Android to an Android, your iPhone to an iPhone, or even your Android to an iPhone and vice versa. Since AirDroid launched its web version, you don't even need to download the application on the receiving phone for casting. Hang in there to find out how this works. You'll need to download the latest version of AirDroid Cast on both phones. You can get the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store depending on what kind of phone you are using, or find it on our official page. You can also skip downloading the app on the receiving phone and simply use AirDroid Cast Web instead. After you've launched the app, click the Receive Screencast button in the lower right corner of AirDroid Cast on the receiving device. You will see a big QR code and a 9-digit code on the interface. Or you can simply open AirDroid Cast Web on the receiving phone to get the same connection code. All you need to do then is scan this QR code or manually enter the cast code on the sending device and allow the permission shown on the screen. Connection successful. Your phone screen is now shown on the other phone. Thanks to the two-way audio feature of AirDroid Cast, you can also enable the sound on the receiving phone by clicking the microphone option at the bottom of the screen to easily communicate with the other person. On top of that, you can enjoy the Share Device audio feature, which allows you to stream the audio and enjoy a video or a movie with high-quality audio without a problem. With its premium version, AirDroid Cast also supports remote casting, allowing you to easily share content from another phone wherever you are in the world. If you want to remotely share your screen with your friends who live in a different country and stream a game you're playing, then this feature is for you. Find the links of the AirDroid Cast app and AirDroid Cast Web in the description below and start mirroring your screen with ease today. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.